Feature that we're going to try is object eraser, and as the name suggests, it allows you to erase objects from your photo. So we'll go in the gallery, and here I have this photo, this thumbnail photo that I took of Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now here you can see that I've got some props here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and erase some of these objects. To get to the object eraser, the easiest way is to tap on the Galaxy AI button here and go in object eraser, and this will analyze the image. And then what you can do is you can outline these objects and it will snap to the object, and then you can just erase it and wait for it to do that. It has recreated these dice here, but haven't really fully done the job. So we're going to try and do this one. So that's at least better than before. Let's erase this. Let's try this out again. There are still some smudges here. It hasn't done the perfect job. Let's try something else. I'm gonna try and erase some of these boards here. So I'm gonna go in Galaxy AI, object eraser, and let it analyze the photo. And now, okay, so when it analyzes the photo, it sometimes automatically select what it wants to erase, but you can change that. Okay, now it has selected the whole thing, and let's try to erase it. So now here it has done a fantastic job. It's gone, and if you don't know what was here, you would probably not guess if something has been erased. It looks really natural. Let's try to do the same here. And there you go. So it works well in some situations and not as well in other situations. And then you can also save a copy. In gallery, you can also very quickly edit your videos into slow-mo and also save it. So this is a video here, and all I have to do is long press on it and it will turn into slow-mo video. And as long as I have my finger on it, it will be converted into slow-mo. And when I lift my finger, it will give me an option to actually download the slow-mo clip. How awesome is that? And just like that, I have a slow-mo clip. Now, if I go in gallery and I'll open up one of my photos, this is the motion photo. Now, if you don't know how to take a motion photo, go in the camera and tap on this button, and this will turn on the motion photo, and this will actually take a small video of the photo that you're taking. And using that video, what it does is that it analyzes the best face in the photo, and you can select which one it is, and then you can have that face in the photo. Tap on Galaxy AI, you can go and choose best face. So now it has provided me with 4 different faces, and I can choose between them. Moving on to the next feature, you can now also create free-form collages. So now if you go in gallery and you select multiple photos, tap on create. You could create collages before, but now you can create free-form collages. So tap on this button here and it will create a collage for you, but you can now move it around, increase or decrease the size, play around with it, whatever you want to do. And this way you can create these free-form collages and save them. Another really cool feature that I want to talk about is auto trim videos. So now if you have videos and you want to trim them, you can use this feature to automatically trim them to their highlight points. So if I go in gallery and go in studio, can start a new project, and from here I can select a video, press done, and it will import it. And there are some new features in this studio as well. But now you can select it. I can tap on this button here. So this is the auto trim button, and here I can select auto, or I can actually go in here and change the custom length that I want to select. So from 14 seconds, now I want to cut it down to 5 seconds. So in this 5 seconds, it will try to find the highlight points of the video and add them to these 5 seconds. So now it's changing the clip length, and now I have a 5-second clip. This is a very quick way of trimming your videos down to the main parts of the video. You can also select text from your photos. So I have a photo here, and I'm going to long press on the text, and then I can just select whatever it is that I want to select, and then copy it, share it, and select all. So whenever I have some text in the camera preview, this T button appears here and I can tap on it and it will select all the text for me. And then I can select whatever I want and copy from here as well. You can also very quickly edit your photos in the gallery, and all you have to do is swipe up. When you'll swipe up, it gives you all the options that apply to your photo. So for this photo, remaster applies, and if I'll tap on remaster, it will remaster the photo. On Galaxy Tab S10 FE, you can also very quickly remove backgrounds from photos. So if I go in gallery and let's say I want to remove the background from here, so I'll select this subject here, and now when I leave it, it will give me this option. So I can save it as a sticker and I can save it as an image. So if I select save as image, I'll go back and I'll see that the subject here, the background has been removed. You can also move subjects from one photo to another, and for that all you have to do is long press on the subject, and then once it's selected, you can move the photos around and drop it on another photo. And once you'll drop it, you can then adjust it and press save. Similarly, you can copy subjects from one image to another, and the process for that is also similar. Long press when it's selected, copy it, then move to another photo, long press and paste it there, and it will be pasted, and then you can adjust it and save it as well. If you don't like what you have created, you can go back to the original image. So just tap on revert to original and it will go back to the original image.